Alright, well, um, I'm not really the big singer of the family. My Uncle Junior and Daniel are the singers. They play the guitar, they get down. Yep. Well, I'm not so good, like, singing the song without the music. I have to hear it, and then I can listen to it and sing it, whatever. Well, I'm gonna sing Jason Aldean Night Train because I tried to sing a girl song earlier and I just couldn't get it. My voice is like manly, so anyway, I hope you enjoy. If not, I mean, you don't have to watch it. It's not really that big of a deal. I just thought I'd give it a try. Daniel, I bet you I could do this better than you. It's a challenge. I challenge you. Can't play the guitar very good, but I challenge you. We all know how that works out. Me playing guitar. Here we go. I hope you enjoy. I've been thinking about you all day, baby. Waiting on that sun to go down. And won't you say I'll pick you up after work? Slide over and so down to the outskirts of town. Got a blanket and a fifth of comfort. A little something to knock off the edge. It's supposed to get a little cold tonight. Looks like I'm gonna have to hold you tight. About a mile off Old Mill Road, that spot nobody knows. We park the truck and we take off running. Hurry girl, I hear it coming. Got a moon and a billion stars. The sound of all that old box cars. The thought of you's driving me insane. Come on baby, let's go listen to the night train. I hope it's gonna be a long one. If we're lucky, it's moving slow. And my liver lasted all night, right next to you on that hillside. Let's go. About a mile off Old Mill Road, that spot nobody knows. We park the truck and we take off running. Hurry up, girl, I hear it coming. Got a moon and a billion stars. The sound of all that old box cars. The thought of you's driving me insane. Come on, baby, let's go listen to the night train. Let's go listen to the night train. About a mile off Old Mill Road.